Oh, I could be all it is you need, 'cause we are trying to find a way to feel. If I could sleep, I'd dream of what we'd be, but I can feel you slip further from me. Oh, it makes it hard to be when you are all that I want but don't have. And I'll run into the sea, follow this heart that escapes me. It escapes me, and I'm
Close your eyes and just stay tight. We have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me.
cinema tickets, sporting event tickets, just all that sort of kind of stuff, and I sort of put it all into one book. It was quite funny, about a couple of years ago I actually used to sort of collect bottles and stuff like that, but I actually ended up collecting so many bottles, it took up too much room, so I sort of had to sort of scrap all of that and sort of collect stuff that was easy to sort of gather up, like train tickets for example. So yeah, leave me alone. Some of you have seen my movie reviews or any of my other actual reviews, then you may actually notice in the background of my videos where I'm showing myself, you'll see a rugby top, which is actually